probably spent hours watching those YouTube videos on affiliate marketing and you're still not making a single dollar online. You might be asking yourself if something's wrong because those YouTube videos on affiliate marketing just aren't bringing in the result you expected. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can make at least $100 with affiliate marketing. I'll show you Pinterest accounts that are successfully implementing this strategy to make thousands of dollars every single month, and I'll show you how you can do this step by step without any past experience at all. You can see this Pinterest account, which only has around 3,000 followers, get 3 million views on their pins every single month, and this account get more than 200,000 views, and these videos aren't even theirs. These accounts are making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. So now what we are going to do is directing people from Pinterest to landing page that we built for free, and from there we will collect their email addresses. Then after that, they will be directed to the affiliate product we are promoting. According to the product conversion rate, 1 in every 10 people that visit this page will buy the product. That is great. But then you will be losing 90% of your visitors. That's why we collected their email addresses. Since we got their email addresses, we can send them emails automatically and promote this product or any other product you like. So let's go to the step 1. Now I'll show you how you can choose a working niche to start your Pinterest journey. First, what you want to do is come over here to trends.pinterest.com, and from here you can look at what are topics that are trending right now on Pinterest, and you can search for certain keywords and see if they are trending or not. To find keywords to type in, you can head over to your preferred affiliate marketplace and see what categories it has, and then you can search about every category on here. And remember, when looking for a certain topic, always make sure choose a topic that's trending all throughout the year. As you can see, most of these are trending seasonally. So now what's wrong with these are you can only get traffic to your account seasonally. That means this won't be passive. Most of the time you will be dry of traffic. So always make sure to choose a topic that's trending throughout the year. For this example, I'm going to choose woodworking. This doesn't mean that you also have to choose woodworking as your niche. There are tons of other niches like this, whether you can have even more success than this. So choose a niche that's working and one that you are genuinely like. But since we are doing Pinterest, make sure to choose a niche on one of these categories: self-help, cooking, food and wine, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, home and garden, and finally parenting and families. Because these are the niches that work the best on Pinterest. If you choose a correct niche that you also have some interest in, that will get you to your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing faster than anything else. After choosing a niche and a product to promote, you need to create a Pinterest business account. To create a Pinterest account, come over here to pinterest.com and just sign up. What we want is a business Pinterest account. It's really simple to create and it's free. Just click on your profile picture here and choose Convert to Business Account. After doing that, you need a name and account bio for your account. If it's hard for you to come up with the name or bio, ask ChatGPT to create one for you. It's really simple and all of this should take about 5 minutes. Now to make your account look more professional, you can add a banner like this. To create this banner, you can use Canva. Canva is a free website that you can use to make any graphic design with no experience at all. So you can whip up a decent looking banner like this in few clicks. Now let's head on to the next part, which is uploading pins to your account. Don't worry, you don't need to create your own videos, because after going through some of these accounts videos and doing some research, I found out that these videos aren't actually made by the creator of this account. All these videos are repurposed from TikTok and they have given credit to those accounts in the caption of the videos. Which means it's 100% okay to repost content you found on other platforms as long as you give credit to the owner of the video. I'll show you an example of how you can find content to repost. Let's say you are in the woodworking niche. What you have to do is come over here to TikTok and type in woodworking tips, and tons of results like this will show up. Next, you have to download the TikTok without the watermark. You can use a website like Snaptik to do this. After you download the TikTok, to upload this as a pin, go to your account page in Pinterest, scroll down and click on Create Pin. Once you're on this page, click here to upload the TikTok you downloaded. Now for the title of this pin, you can see what your competitors are using and create a title that's similar to them. By doing this, we can be sure that this title is working title, because otherwise these accounts won't create titles like this. And when creating a caption for the pins you created, you need to tell people and make people know about the link in your bio or about the link that's in the pin and direct people to click on it, and also you need to give credit to the video creditor. You can again copy the caption from your competitors and then change it up to a bit and paste it here, or if you want to, you can rewrite this with the ChatGPT and paste it here. Okay, now after creating the caption for this, you can scroll down and come over here to the link section. This is where you want to put the link of your landing page. So let's move on to the next step to find out how you can create a high converting landing page like this for free and collect people's email addresses. Before creating the landing page, we need to find a product to promote. If you're a beginner, you can use ClickBank to find a good product that's in your niche. Just choose your niche and look for a product that has a high gravity score. For this video, I'm going to choose Ted's Woodworking. To create the landing page, I'm going to use GetResponse because it has a landing page builder and an email marketing software built-in, and in the beginning, we all need is a free plan. GetResponse is great because it gives us the main two things we want, and if you click the link in the description, you can get the pro features for 30 days. So make sure to use it. So first come over here to GetResponse and sign up for a free plan. Now from the home page, navigate to the top left to the Tools section, and under the Tools section, click on Landing Page. Then click on Create Landing Page. Use a ready-made template. You can see there are tons of fancy templates for you to choose from. But the secret to creating a landing page with high conversion rate is to make it as simple as possible. So from the top here, choose blank templates, then choose blank template 1. Okay, now we are going to create the landing page from here. Click on this plus icon and drag and drop the text element. Then choose this. Now all you have to do is give this a nice title. For that, what you want to do is head over to the product page of affiliate program you chose and get some elements from that title to create yours. I created something like this. Enter your email address to get access to 20,000 plus woodworking plans. Now if you want to add a nice and simple image to this, click the plus icon and drag and drop the image element here. From here you can either upload any image you like or you can add an image from your PC. I already have this image uploaded, so I'm going to choose this. Okay, to create the form to capture people's email addresses, you need to drag in the forms element, and the form here, go to the sign up forms and choose something like this. Now from here, you can give this form a name to keep this more organized, and the most important thing here is under the success view section, just click it and choose redirect to another page or site. Now this is where you need to put your affiliate link, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now preview this to see if it looks okay on both desktop and fonts, especially fonts. If that looks good, click on continue now and just give this landing page a title and select the list. When a subscriber goes through your landing page, they add it to their list and you have created. So from here, select the default one. If you want to change the name of a list, you can do that from here. From here, you can customize the free GetResponse domain. This is the link to your landing page, and you can add a custom domain to this if you want it in the future. As you can see from here, you can get all kinds of analytics about this landing page. Now just copy this URL and paste it here in Pinterest. But I highly recommend using a Linktree link to put onto Pinterest. It's really easy to do that. If you want, you can put this link onto your bio as well. For the tag section, put some tags like this. And if you want, you can schedule pins to upload at any date you want. To do that, you can choose publish at later date. Now why this is important is you should be aiming to publish 2 to 3 pins every single day throughout the day. So you can easily do that by scheduling it to the published on certain days, and also you can change the time this pin gets published as well. Now once all of this is finalized, you can click on this publish button. Now this is what these pins will look like. If you click on this link, you will be taken to a landing page that you created from here. Once you put it in your name and email address, you will be taken to the product page just like this. If someone buys these products, that's great, but if they don't, we don't need to worry because the email address they entered will be in your email list. From there, you can do the email marketing to promote this product, or you can promote multiple other products that they might be interested in. So I hope this video helped you. If you want to learn more about these kind of make money online methods, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.